And once you're in the general settings page, you can change the site title and tagline right here, but we're going to do this a little bit later in our theme settings, so we can skip this section right now. What I want to do is add the www dot to my website address. So right here where it says WordPress address and site address, all I want you to do is put in your mouse right in front of your website name and just type in www dot. And then do that down here for the site address also. And make sure that you don't change anything else or add anything else. Otherwise, you'll be locked out of your WordPress website and you'll have to go through all the steps again, starting from step 1. Okay, so just double and triple check that this is correct. And then what you want to do is just come down to the bottom and click on Save Changes. And for security purposes, you're going to have to log back in. So all you have to do is just put in your username and your password and then click on the login button. And once you're logged back in, now you should see the www dot in front of your website name, so it looks a little bit more professional. And now we are good to go. And I want to go back to our WordPress settings. So again, on the left-hand side of our WordPress dashboard, hover over settings. And this time around, we're going to go to the reading tab. So click on that. And once you're on the reading settings page, right here where it says your homepage displays, what we want to do is change this to a static page. And then we want to set our homepage and the blog post page. So for the homepage, we'll go into this dropdown and select the homepage that we just created. And for the blog post page, go into this dropdown and select the blog page that we created. And once you're ready, all we have to do is click Save Changes. And once the settings are saved, now our homepage and blog post page are set to the 2 pages that we created. And in just a little bit, we can go into these and customize them however we want. Okay. So again, down in the settings, now what I want to do is select the permalink structures. So hover over settings and come down here to permalinks and click on that. And once you're on the permalink settings page, what you want to do is select the permalinks that you want to show up for all of your different pages and posts. And the one that I recommend is this one right here, which is post name. So go ahead and select that and then come down to the bottom and just click on the Save Changes button. And once the permalink settings are saved, the last thing that we're going to do is come back down to the settings tab and hover over that and click on the privacy tab. And once you're on the privacy policy page, what you can do here is create a new page for your own privacy policy if you want, or you can use the one that the WordPress developers create for you. So if you want to check out what it looks like, you can just click on this link and I'll open up a new tab and you can see that this is what the privacy policy page looks like. And if you want to edit any of this information, what you can do is just click on the edit page link right here. Or if I close out of this and go back to the dashboard over here, I can click on the edit link right here, and that's going to bring me to the edit page. And then you can edit the privacy policy that the WordPress developers have created for you. That one pretty much covers everything. So that's the one that we're going to use for this demo tutorial. But you can always come back to this section or go to the privacy policy page and update it on your own. So what I'm going to do is just click on this button right here that says use this page.